Thank you guys for joining my video. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for always supporting. Today I want to teach us how to add a drop effect on an image. As you can see, I have a lady smiling here. Can you see the lady? I have a lady smiling here, and I have this picture I downloaded from the internet. Look at this drop image here. I also have this splash. I don't know if I'm going to use this splash at the end of the day, but let's see how we can play with it. But what I want to work on today is a drop effect on an image. Now the lady have a background. Let's try and remove the background before we go ahead. So I'm sure you know how to remove background from Coredraw, and if you don't know how to remove background from Coredraw, this is an opportunity for you to learn. This is an avenue for you to learn how to remove background from Coredraw. So just stay tuned, guys. Now let's remove this background. First of all, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, please kindly subscribe so you will understand what I'm teaching. If you don't subscribe, you won't understand though. So if I want to remove this background, so we are going to click here, edit bitmap. I don't know the color you are using. If it's called 13, 14, 15, they all have this option, edit bitmap. So if you click on edit bitmap, it's going to take you to Coredraw photo paint. Photo paint is like a brother to the make Coredraw itself, so they work hand in hand together. You know, it's not a must you take your picture to Coredraw to Photoshop before you remove background. Now, how do you remove background from photo paint? This is the picture. So what you do now is go to image. When you go to image, you click on the first one here, which is a cut out lab. Now we have three options here. The first one is nib size, the second one is highlight colors, the third one is fill colors. The blue one here, which is fill colors, is the image itself. The highlight color, which is the green, is the background you want to remove. Why this nib size is the size of the brush. As you can see, look at the brush. You can choose to increase it here to 40, or you can choose to reduce it with this cursor here. So let me just increase it to like 45. Can you see? So now what you're going to do now is to click on the edges. Make sure you didn't touch the image. The edges you want to remove the background from, the edges. You click it round. Make sure you didn't touch the image. You click it round. You click it round. You make sure you click it round. Don't let it touch the image itself. You click it round. You go like this. You go like this, and here we go. So the next thing here is to click on this one here, which is the middle one, inside fill tools. Inside fill tools. So when you click on it, you come to the image here and drop it here. The inside fill tools, I told you, is the image itself. So when you do that, the next thing you do, just come to preview and see what we have. Look at, the background is gone. So simple. So you click on your OK and you come here and save, and now you can see the image background is gone. So let's go straight to the real business of the day. So look at, I have this water drop. I told you I downloaded it from internet. So what's the next thing to do here? You come to your shape tools, which is shortcut F10. You click on it. I want to remove these screenshot options at the top here. You bring it down. Then the same thing at the bottom. You click on the middle and you drag it up. Then after that, you go straight down to your bitmap. For now, it's still, as you can see, it's an image. I want to convert it to objects. So you go to your bitmap, convert to bitmap, come here. I want to remove it from RGB to grayscale because it's black and white. Now I've converted to bitmap. The next thing you do here is to right click on it and go to your quick trace. Can you see it? Quick trace. Now I've successfully converted to objects. For you to know, look at this group button here. It's showing group button, so let me ungroup it. Now let me delete these ones, I don't need them. Let me delete these white ones at the edges, I don't need it. Let me delete them straight up. So now I've successfully turned it to objects. Look at the previous one here below. This is the object, this is the previous one. Let me delete it. So I've successfully turned it to object. Now I can give it color if I like. Look at it. It's now objects. Now the next thing to do here, let me draw out a rectangle area we want to work on. Okay, so let me bring our image back inside. Let me just make it big a bit, just a bit. Just stay with me, guys. Let me align it properly. So how do we go from here? So I've turned this one to object. The next thing you need to do here is to bring it here and make it bigger. Let me page up, it's below it. Let me page up. So the next thing to do here is to bring it here, make sure it's aligned properly with the image below. Can you see what we have? So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn it to outline, because without that you can't use it. So you come to your color area here, remove the color with these times at the top here. If I click on it, you can see it has removed the color. So I left click to put outline. So if I zoom in now, you see the outline. Can you see the outline? I left click to put outline on it. Can you see now? So how do you do it? How do you go from here? So let me click out so you understand. So you click on the object itself, which I told you about. You hold down your shift and you click on the image. Let me page down this one. You click on the object, you hold down your shift and you click on the image. Then you come down to this third one here, this third one, which is intersect. You come down to this third one here, which is intersect. Then you click on it. Once you click on it now, we have the image. Look at, we have extracted the image out with this shape of this drop effect. So let me undo it back. I'm not done. So the next thing to do is to click on the image, go to your F10 and take it up, and take it up to this area, to this point of, take it up a bit. You have to watch the image. I think this is okay. You watch it well to the point whereby it will show from the, you have to follow this. Can you see it? You have to follow this drop effect. Take it up so it will show. Now can you see it? It will show like it's two-sided. I just took it up now. Now I can delete this one, which is the outline. What we have now is just the image itself. Can you see what we have? I've successfully turned the image to a drop image. Now we don't need the splash. So now, can you see we successfully remove the background and turn the picture to a drop picture. Like so simple. Just see what we go about this, guys. Now I've removed the background and I've added the drop effect on the image. You can also try this, guys. Let me see. Try it. Let me see what you have. If you have any question to ask, you can drop it on the comment section. But trust me, guys, it's so simple. Just try it.